So today we're going to be making my very first time of making chicken tenders, but we're going to be using chicken breast. And we're going to be using panko breading, flour. So I marinated it with black pepper and salt to get some taste going. And now we're just gonna do our thing. So while we're doing this, we are gonna put some oil in a pan and put it on medium-high heat. As you should in every kitchen, before you start making stuff, you have to wash your hands, in which I already did. So let's head into the ingredients. Okay, so we're just gonna take this chicken breast and then put it in some egg, like so, and then put it in some flour, coat that. So I'm just gonna coat it like this. So I'm just gonna put this on the side and then repeat the process. So I'm just gonna put it over here and then do that again. The chicken is done! Let's eat!
Yum!
So this is the crunchy fried chicken.
Tenders.
So we're gonna taste it now.
Delicious.
Thank you guys